Now we're getting ready to scan the airbag control module. You can do automatic, we'll scan multiple systems, but since we know we're interested in the airbag control unit, let's go to manual select and then scroll until you see airbag module or SRS. Press OK. And here we can read the fault code, and here there's a description. Right up here you have the code, you have the description, and then this is important as well. It says status is current. If it was stored, like let's say if you get a code for a low battery voltage and it's stored, you can go ahead and clear that code, but this will come right back up. And you can scroll down here to see multiple codes. If there's more than one, like in this case we got 4, you can see, and status here is still current, so you can erase that. And under voltage and it's current, so all these current codes you can't erase. Once you do fix the problem that's triggering these various codes, whatever they are, and a lot of times you might have a code for clock spring, and that's mounted right behind the steering column. That's a common issue. Another one is the passenger seat mat. It's on the passenger side and it detects if there's a child or an adult sitting in there. A lot of times the wires that go to that do get disconnected because the seat moves back and forth too much on the passenger side, so check those wires underneath, and if those wires are not the issue, you might have to replace that passenger seat mat. But you will get a code whatever the issue is, and once you do fix that problem, you can come back in here and then clear fault memory, and it says do you want to clear the DTC, select yes and no, so press OK. And in this case it says successful, but these codes will come right back up as soon as we restart the car. But this was just for demonstration purposes, and thank you for watching.